The construction of ships, particularly large ocean-faring vessels like cargo ships, represents one of the most remarkable feats of engineering and craftsmanship in the modern world. While building a small boat might take a few months and require straightforward steps, such as shaping the hull and attaching an engine, crafting a ship that stretches over 200 meters and costs hundreds of millions of dollars is an entirely different challenge. This video delves deep into the fascinating process of building these seafaring giants, from design to construction and beyond. The evolution of shipbuilding materials and techniques. The methods and materials used in shipbuilding have undergone dramatic evolution over the last century, reflecting advancements in technology and the growing demands of maritime industries. Since the 1940s, welded steel has become the dominant material for ship construction, replacing riveting, which was labor-intensive, expensive, and prone to failure over time due to the weakening of joints. This transition marked a significant leap forward in efficiency and structural integrity, enabling the construction of larger and more complex vessels. Riveting, a manual process requiring thousands of bolts to be fitted, was particularly vulnerable to vibration and fatigue, issues that are nearly eliminated with welded steel. By the 1950s, advancements in metallurgy introduced high-tensile steels capable of withstanding extreme stresses and reducing the risk of brittle fractures. This was especially critical in colder climates, where traditional steel was prone to cracking under low temperatures. The infamous brittle fractures in World War II-era Liberty ships, caused by suboptimal steel in freezing Atlantic waters, spurred this innovation. Modern high-tensile steels not only improve durability, but also allow for the construction of lighter, more fuel-efficient ships. Today, materials like duplex stainless steel and composite metals are pushing the boundaries of shipbuilding. Duplex stainless steel offers excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for chemical tankers and offshore structures exposed to harsh marine environments. Composite materials, including fiberglass and carbon fiber, are used in niche markets like luxury yachts and military vessels, offering significant weight savings without compromising strength. Shipbuilding techniques have also kept pace. Cold forming and hot forming processes shape steel plates into precise aerodynamic and hydrodynamic profiles, ensuring optimal performance in water. Cold forming involves bending steel at room temperature using hydraulic presses, while hot forming uses heat to achieve more complex shapes. Automated welding systems, incorporating robotic arms and laser-guided technology, have revolutionized shipyard operations. These systems increase efficiency, reduce human error. The process of building ships. Once the hull plates and frames are shaped, the next step is assembly, a complex process that requires the seamless integration of thousands of components. Large ships are constructed in segments, known as sub-assemblies, which are welded together to create larger structures. Each sub-assembly is carefully designed to fit into the overall blueprint of the ship, ensuring that components like electrical wiring, plumbing, and ventilation systems are pre-installed wherever possible. This modular construction technique, known as block construction, revolutionized shipbuilding in the late 20th century, significantly reducing build times and costs. For example, modern shipyards, such as Samsung Heavy Industries in South Korea, use cranes capable of lifting over 1,500 tons to move these massive sub-assemblies into place. To achieve this precision, advanced 3D modeling software is employed to map out every detail of the ship's structure, from its bulkheads to its superstructure. Workers use these digital models to pre-fit components, reducing the need for extensive on-site adjustments. This approach allows shipbuilders to deliver vessels like ultra-large container ships in modern shipyards and the global shipbuilding industry. Shipbuilding is a global industry, but its production is highly concentrated in 3 countries: China, South Korea, and Japan. Together, these nations dominate the sector, accounting for over 90% of global ship production. China leads in volume, having constructed over 44 million gross tons of ships in 2022 alone. South Korea, on the other hand, specializes in high-tech vessels such as LNG carriers, which require advanced engineering to safely transport volatile cargoes. Japan maintains its edge in eco-friendly ship designs, leveraging technologies like air lubrication systems to reduce fuel consumption. While these nations are global leaders, other countries also maintain significant shipbuilding industries. In Europe, nations like Germany and Norway are known for constructing specialized vessels such as cruise ships and offshore support ships. In the United States, the shipbuilding industry is largely driven by military contracts and the Jones Act, which ensures that domestic shipping is carried out on American-built vessels. Shipyards like General Dynamics, NASSCO, and San Diego produce a wide range of ships, from naval vessels to commercial cargo ships. This diversity ensures that the industry continues to thrive. Key milestones in ship construction. The process of building a ship is punctuated by several key milestones, each marking an important stage in its journey to completion. The first of these is design and planning, a phase that can take years to finalize for large vessels. Designers use cutting-edge software to create digital twins of the ship, allowing them to simulate its performance under various conditions. These simulations can analyze everything from fuel efficiency to the ship's response to extreme weather, ensuring that the final design meets all operational requirements. Keel laying is another significant milestone. This ceremony, often attended by shipyard officials and dignitaries, marks the formal start of the ship's construction. In modern shipyards, this involves the placement of the first modular block rather than a traditional keel beam. After this, the ship begins to take shape through block assembly and erection, a process that involves welding together massive prefabricated sections. Precision is critical at this stage, as even minor misalignments can cause structural issues. Once the hull is complete, the ship is launched into the water, marking another major milestone. This event, often accompanied by a christening ceremony, symbolizes the ship's readiness for outfitting and sea trials. Outfitting involves installing critical systems like engines, navigation equipment, and safety features. Sea trials follow, where the ship's performance is rigorously tested under real-world conditions. The importance of innovation in shipbuilding. Innovation is at the heart of modern shipbuilding, driving advancements in efficiency, safety, and sustainability. One of the most significant trends in recent years is the development of LNG-powered ships, which produce up to 30% fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional heavy fuel oil. Companies like 𝐶MA-CGM have already deployed LNG-powered container ships, showcasing the industry's commitment to reducing its environmental impact. Another area of innovation is autonomous shipping. Research initiatives, such as the European Union's AutoShip project, are exploring the potential of unmanned vessels. These ships, guided by artificial intelligence and advanced sensors, could revolutionize maritime logistics by reducing labor costs and minimizing human error. Meanwhile, improvements in hull design, such as air lubrication systems and bulbous bows, continue to enhance fuel efficiency, reducing operating costs for ship owners. Green technologies are also gaining traction, with shipbuilders incorporating solar panels, wind-assisted propulsion systems, and advanced waste management solutions into their designs. These features not only align with international regulations like the International Maritime Organization's decarbonization targets, but also appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. As the industry embraces these innovations, it is poised to lead the economic and cultural impact of shipbuilding. Shipbuilding is not just a technical endeavor. It is a cornerstone of global commerce and a vital source of economic activity. The industry supports millions of jobs worldwide, from engineers and welders in shipyards to seafarers and logistics professionals. According to the World Maritime Organization, over 1.7 million people are employed in the shipping industry, contributing significantly to the global economy. In countries like South Korea, shipbuilding accounts for a significant portion of GDP, underscoring its importance as a national industry. Culturally, shipbuilding has deep roots, with traditions like keel laying and christening ceremonies reflecting the historical significance of ships. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed diving into the fascinating world of shipbuilding and learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What part of shipbuilding did you find most interesting? And as always, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.